Okay, we are going to do this exercise, stage 1. So this exercise is about the parallel, okay, and perpendicular lines. It's all about their slopes, okay, or gradients. So for two straight lines to be parallel, their slopes or gradients must be equal, okay? Or for two straight lines to be perpendicular, their slopes times together, the result must be equal to -1. Okay, remember this. Okay, always use these principles to calculate something. Okay, so in question 1, we just complete the table. Okay, I will do just one part. Okay, for part C. Okay, you are already given M1. M1 is the slope of the straight line L1. Okay, understand? So for the case L1 perpendicular to L2, you see that, right? So M2 must be what? Equal to M1. So that blank, you just fill in like this. Okay, you just fill in -9/7. Okay, you can just fill in the table. Okay, understand? So for the next blank, the M2, so for this plane it should be what? Because L1 and L2 they times together equal to -1. Understand? So in your rough paper or your blank paper, you can do this. Okay, M1. I will do it simply. Okay, not make it so complicated. So M1 is this M1. Okay, times M2 equal to -1. Okay, so here, how to find out M2? You times 7 both sides, understand? And then divided both sides by -9. You got 7/9, understand? So just fill in the table here, 7 minus 9 in the table. Okay, so the same way to do A and B, I just do C. Okay, so and then let's move on to question 2 to question 5. Okay, I'll do 2 of them for you. So for question 2, okay, so it is given that in the figure, look at the figure, two straight lines, they are parallel. Okay, they're parallel, meaning that what? Their slopes must be the same. Understand? So you have to calculate the slope of L2. Understand? So how to calculate? Just write in this way. Right, since L1 parallel to L2, so we have ML1 equal to ML2. Okay, understand? In this way, it must be very clear. So ML1, you can just use the 2 points coordinate. One point is 4, 8, right? You write this 8, 4. The other point should be the O. Understand? The O is 0, 0. Understand? So ML2. So because you want to find the ML2, right? So you can write it on the left hand side. It's just equal to 2. Then finish. Understand? So this is question 2. The same way to do question 3. Every time you have to read the words before you do anything. Understand? So go to question 5. So for question 4 and question 5, two straight lines, they're actually perpendicular. Understand? So you have to calculate the slope of L2. So L1 and L2, the slopes times together equal to -1. Understand? So look at the figure very carefully. Do you have coordinates of 2 points? Actually, you already have A, right? The coordinates of A, but you don't have another point, but you see a 8 there, right? Just mark the coordinates on there. So you have to make it correct. It should be 0, 8, not 8, 0. Okay? Don't make it reverse the order, otherwise you make it wrong. So how to, when you mark a correct coordinates there, then you can do this. Since, okay, because L1 perpendicular to L2, like this, so ML1 times ML2 must be equal to -1, understand? So ML1, just calculate, you have the coordinates, right? So 4, 1, write it in this format, minus, minus, and then here it should be A, 0, understand? ML2 equal to this. So calculate this first. It is actually 1 below here, just 1, okay? -4, okay? L2. So divided both sides by -4, okay? You got NL2 just equal to 1 over 4. That finish, understand? So not difficult, actually very easy. It's okay? So let's move on to question 6 to question 9. I'll do 2 of them, okay? I'll do question 6 first. Question 6. So find the slopes, okay, of straight line L, okay, in the following cases. So for question 6, L is parallel to a straight line with slope 4 over 5. So very easy, right? So you just write down ML equal to 4 over 5, then finish, okay? Go to question 9. So L is perpendicular to a straight line passing through these 2 points, okay? So meaning that the slope of L times that slope of that straight line will be equal to what? -1, understand? So you don't have the slopes of the other straight line, right? Right now, so you have to calculate that first, okay? Just calculate that slope first. You don't know the name of that straight line, you can just call it M prime, like this, okay? Calculate the slopes first, okay? -2, -3, minus here, and then 1 and 9, okay? So -3 above, -12 below, just 1 over 4, okay? Then you can just put an arrow here, and then you write ML times 1 over 4 equal to -1, okay? Then times 4 both sides, you have ML equal to -4. Finish. It's okay? So quite easy. So I'll keep doing, okay? Next page. So for question 10 to question 12, okay, we have 3 figures. I'll do just one of them, okay? I'll do 12. So read the verse first, okay? In each of the following, determine whether the straight line L1 and L2 are parallel. So you don't know whether they are parallel at this moment, understand? So you have to find out the slopes of 2 straight lines and then see whether they are the same and conclude, understand? So just look at the figure. So actually you can easily calculate the slope of L2, right? For L1 you don't have all the coordinates, but you see a 5 there, okay? Just mark the coordinates there, mark it correct, okay? It should be 0, 5, right? So we have to calculate ML1 equal to, so make the format, okay? And then here it should be 5, 0, then 2 over -6, just 1 over 3 minus, okay? And then for ML2, okay, equal to the same format, minus, and then 3 minus 2, okay, it should be 1, and then here below it should be -3. Okay, are they the same? The same, right? Yeah. So you write, therefore ML1 equal to ML2. So ML1 parallel to L1 parallel to L2. Just write this. It's okay. Understand? Yeah. So keep going. Let's go to question 14. Okay. So read the verse first. For question 13 to question 15, read the verse. In each of the following, determine whether the straight line L1 and L2 are perpendicular. So you have to find out 2 slopes, okay, and then times together, and then see whether the result equal to -1. Understand? So I will do 14. Okay, let's calculate ML1 first. Okay, the format minus, and then L1 you have 2 points. You can use B and C, right? And then -3, 1 here. This is -5, 2 below here. So below here is -1. Above here is 2. So just -2. Put it there. And then for ML2, the same way, you can use point A and point B, right? Okay, put a minus sign first, and then -3 and 1 here, -5 and -1. So below here is 2, above here is 2, okay, it's 1. Understand? So you have to check. Therefore, ML1 times ML2 equal to -2 times +1 equal to -2. So equal to -2 meaning that it is not equal to -1. Understand? Therefore, is it L1 perpendicular to L2? No, but you have to write inverse. Understand? L1 is not perpendicular to L2. Understand? It's not difficult. It's okay? So let's keep going. For question 16 to 17, I'll do 1. Read the verse first, okay? In each of the following, okay, determine whether L1 and L2 parallel. Okay, I think it's the same way to do. I'll do 17, okay? 17. So L1 passes through these 2 points, so we can calculate the slope of L1 first, okay? Because we already see 2 points there, okay? -1, -9. For the next is -5 and 5 here, okay? So -14 above here is +4, okay? -2/7. Put it there. So you have to calculate L2, but for L2, you don't know the complete coordinates, right? But it is the x-intercept is 7, so it's just like this. X-intercept 7. You put a 7 here. The point on x-axis is 7, so y must be 0. Understand? For the other one, y-intercept is 2, so put a 2 here. 0 part must be 0. X part must be 0. Understand? So use these 2 points to calculate the ML2. Okay, -, 0.7. Okay, and then it's 2, 0. So -2/7. So in this case, you can see, ML1 equal to ML2. So L1 parallel to L2. Understand? You must be able to handle these situations. Understand? Without any figures, you have to write the correct coordinates before you calculate it. Okay? So this is question 17. So question 18 to 19, I'll do 1. Okay? So go to 18. So here you have to determine whether L1 and L2 are perpendicular. Just use their slopes. Understand? So 18, for the slopes of L1 you already given. Okay? Just write down it's 3. And then for L2 you have to calculate. You have 2 points, right? So write the minus sign, and then 4 minus 8 here is a -1, and then 7. So it's -15 here. Is a 5 above, just -1/3. So ML1 times ML2 equal to 3 times 1/3 minus just equal to -1. Understand? So are they parallel? Are they perpendicular? Yes. Okay. So just write this. It's okay? Yeah. So I'll do one more. Question 21. Okay. So we don't have any figures here. Maybe we have to draw the figure. Okay, read the verse. L1 is the straight line passing through the point, these 2 points. Okay, L2 is a straight line perpendicular to L1. So part A, you have to find the slope of L2. So slope L1 and L2 doing what? They times together must be equal to -1 because L1 and L2 are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so you have to find the slope of L2. In the format, you can write like this. Because L1 perpendicular to L2, so ML1 times ML2 must be equal to -1. So can you calculate the ML1? Yes, because you have already given 2 points. Okay, it's -1, -2 here, and then -9, 0 times ML2 -1. Is it okay? So calculate this number first. It is actually 8 here, -2. It's -4 ML2. Divided both sides by -4 and cancel the minus sign, you got the slope of L2 equal to 1/4. Understand? So keep going. Part B, okay, I do it here. If L3 is a straight line of slope 1/4 minus, determine whether L2 and L3 are parallel. So very easy, you have L2 here, the slope, right? But ML3, you can write down ML3 equal to -1/4. ML2, okay, ML2 equal to 1/4. Are they the same? No, okay, no. ML2, they're not the same, right? So you have ML3 not equal to ML2. So L2 and L3 are not parallel. Okay, so I just finished doing some exercise of stage 1. So you do the rest. You do it now.